In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the official Temu UK affiliate dashboard program, promote your custom invitation codes, and use product review content to attract influencer sponsorship opportunities. We'll go through this in a clear and practical way so you understand not just what to do, but why each part matters. The overall goal is to set yourself up with the official affiliate dashboard. Use your unique referral tools properly and then build content that can help you earn both direct referral rewards and longer-term brand partnerships. To begin, sign up for the official Temu UK affiliate dashboard program. Make sure you are using the correct official UK affiliate page so you're applying through the legitimate platform. During sign-up, you'll typically be asked to provide basic account details and information about how you plan to promote products. Take your time here and fill everything out accurately. Using the official dashboard is important because it gives you access to your affiliate tools, tracking, and performance data in one place. Once your account is approved and active, the next focus is promoting your custom invitation codes to collect direct cash referral bonuses. Inside the dashboard, you should be able to find your unique referral or invitation code. This code is tied to your account, which means it helps track the people who sign up or engage through your promotion.